Hello again and welcome to Evolv-Electric's YouTube channel. This is our idling truck series and now we're on part 3 of the juice press saga, and this one does not go as well as the first two. You got to watch the whole video. There's a little bit of a confrontation with some of the drivers as they come back, I guess, from lunch or break or just to check the trucks, but see what happens. This does happen from time to time. You will get caught by a driver while you're trying to idle, and you'll see how I handled it and how that went down. But this is the last truck. This time I was recording a single truck. It was a little bit easier to record, but of course we did have the complication of running into some drivers. So please check out our idling tutorial videos to learn more about how to record good videos and try not to get caught. You should also visit our website, Evolv-Electric/idling, where you'll learn the tips and tricks, ins and outs of the law, and what better prepare yourself for making good cases and good complaints that will win. At the end of the day, that is what's important. And also, you can visit our Google group, New York City Idle Warriors, where you can get more up-to-the-minute, day-to-day information on what's going on with the idling law and other things, concerns, and whether or not a certain vehicle is good for capturing them for idling. Again, thanks for watching. Please share, subscribe, like, help our channel to grow. Thanks for all the support. Don't get a lot of it in the comments, but I have gotten some support, some emails, and keep recording. So on to the last video. And let's see what happens when I run into some drivers as I'm recording the last juice press truck. There we have another juice press truck. No driver. Not loading or unloading. You can see the RPMs. The RPMs are up to about 1,000. You work for a juice press?
Yeah.
You gotta tell them they can't leave the trucks idling. It's illegal, especially with no driver.
Why is the house illegal?
New York City law 163.9. It says no idling for a vehicle more than 3 minutes.
In where?
Administrative code.
And not in what locations?
Any location. There's no idling allowed in the city for more than 3 minutes. And then the detail 1210.
This is private land, bro.
Doesn't matter if it's private.
It is. I know the idea is for a certain amount. So this is my height when I do the truck.
Yeah.
You over here, this truck stay on idle. So this might be wrong.
Yeah, but it has a separate.
Do you work for the city?
This is not.
Do you work for the city?
I'm familiar with the.
I can see why you over here taking pictures and videos. Do you work for the city? Right now you're in violation of 6. You're talking about roads.
No.
You don't work.
This is open. This is
not
open
open place. This is not a city company.
It doesn't matter if it's a city company or not.
Stop taking pictures.
You can take pictures if something is out in the open.
This is why the road is fucked up. And shit like this. This is why things never go smooth. This is why there's always violence and shit like this. You don't have no reason to come here taking a picture of videos about that's idling.
The trucks cannot idle, especially unoccupied. Look at DCL.
Somebody's in the back of the truck right now loading.
There's no one loading, sir. The door is closed.
How can you see it?
The door is closed.
What door's
right
closed?
here? It's closed. That's closed.
If I open this truck right now and you see food there, then what?
And the back door is closed.
If I open this and the food is the food inside, then what?
Okay, but you
I
have.
just finished loading the truck myself.
Okay, but
and
there's no one loading right now. But you can't leave a vehicle unoccupied and idling. That's also a violation.
Hey, yo, you see why I do things inside the truck? Hey, yo, bro. You know what, bro?
Doesn't matter whoever.
Bro, just go, yo.
I'm going about my business.
Go, cause you really get.
I'm just trying to inform something.
Nah,
inform
fuck
you.
all the information. Inform yourself, man.
All right.
Fuck.
Have a good day.
Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell, like and share to help our channel grow. And below you'll find links to our website, evolv-electric.org, our Twitter and Instagram